Hello and welcome to Ruth Finance. Today I'm giving you a complete beginner-friendly dropshipping masterclass designed for anyone who wants to start an online store using Ecwid Website Builder, which is a completely free online store platform that you can set up in just a few minutes. We'll be sourcing products from eBay and will automate the entire back-end process using Easync so that your store can run almost on autopilot. And now this is a full step-by-step free course. And so if you appreciate free and valuable education, please tap that like button for the YouTube algorithm and don't forget to subscribe so that I can keep creating more videos like this. And of course, if you have any questions while watching this video, drop them in the comments and I will respond to them. Today, you're going to learn the best niches to start dropshipping, how to find reliable eBay suppliers, and how to use Easync to automate your products, pricing, and orders. And remember, this is a beginner-friendly, zero pressure. It works even if you're starting with $0. Before we get started, here are 3 great niches you can start with. One is home and kitchen essentials. These are products people use daily. Then 2, pet accessories. This is a passionate market with endless demand. And now 3, beauty and self-care items. This is perfect for content-driven sales on TikTok and Instagram. All right, let's jump straight into the masterclass. Step 1, understand what dropshipping really is. So what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply a business model where you are the middleman between a supplier and a customer. Your job is to pick good products, build a clean store, and handle the marketing. The supplier handles inventory and shipping. When someone buys from your store, you get paid fast. You place the order with your supplier. The supplier ships straight to your customer and you keep the profit. And that's it. You don't need inventory. You don't need to ship anything yourself. And you can run this from anywhere, your bedroom, cafe Wi-Fi, your phone, anywhere. It's one of the easiest online business to begin with no coding, no complicated setup, and if you do it right, almost no money upfront. Then step 2, pick a profitable niche. Today we'll focus on beauty, accessories, and self-care, with the main niche being jewelry. Jewelry is one of the few products that consistently sells, thanks to its universal appeal for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and graduations. It's lightweight, easy to ship, and emotionally driven. People are often willing to buy something beautiful and meaningful without overthinking it. On top of that, jewelry offers incredible profit margins. You can source a piece for $5 to $15 and sell it for $30 to $40 or even $60 depending on the style. It's a combination of affordability, high perceived value, and year-round demand makes it a perfect niche to build a business around. The 2 popular jewelry niches are minimalist, everyday pieces, and birthstones or personalized items. Minimalist jewelry like dainty necklaces and simple rings is trendy, giftable, and perfect for daily wear. Birthstones and personalized jewelry adds emotional value, making it ideal for gifts and boosting customer loyalty. Step 3, finding reliable eBay jewelry suppliers. We're using eBay as our supplier marketplace for one simple reason: fast shipping and clear seller ratings. When choosing eBay suppliers, look for a top-rated seller badge, which instantly signals reliable shipping, good communication, and high accuracy. Make sure the seller has at least 98% positive feedback, check their rating over the last 30 days, check reviews mentioning fast delivery, good packaging and quality, and accurate items descriptions. It's also crucial that the seller accepts returns, especially for jewelry, since customers may need a size change or refund. Additionally, choose listings with clear, real photos and avoid those that look too perfect or inconsistent, opting instead for suppliers with genuine customer photos in the reviews. Another factor to consider is domestic shipping, which is optional but highly recommended. Suppliers shipping from your own country can reduce delivery time to 3 to 7 days, making your brand appear more reliable. Once you find a good listing, you can use Easync to automate the entire process, which we'll cover shortly. Following these steps ensures you're working with trustworthy suppliers who can provide a smooth experience for your customers. Step 4. Building your free Ecwid store. Now let's set up your actual store. Ecwid is perfect for beginners because it offers $0 forever plan. It's extremely easy to use and requires absolutely no coding knowledge. There's no monthly pressure when you're just starting out, which makes it ideal for anyone launching a store on a tight budget. Plus, as your business grows, you can easily scale and upgrade later only when you truly need to. Quick setup process. Start by creating a free Ecwid account, then go to your catalog and delete all the sample products. Next, add your jewelry product that you imported through Easync and set your pricing accordingly. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, and choose a simple, clean theme for your store. After that, add your shipping and refund policies, connect your preferred payment method such as Stripe or PayPal. And once everything looks good, publish your store. And in under 1 hour, your store can go live. Ecwid also gives you a free domain link when pricing your jewelry for maximum profit. A simple formula works best. Your selling price should be your supplier cost multiplied by 3 or 4. Step 5. Using Easync to automate your entire store. Easync is the automation tool that makes dropshipping from eBay to Ecwid seamless. And here's the truth about starting dropshipping with almost zero budget. You grow by testing fast and by not wasting time on manual work, updating prices, checking stock, placing orders by hand. That's where beginners get stuck. That's why I use Easync. It's the tool that keeps your Amazon to eBay store running while you focus on finding products and driving traffic to your store. You can import products in just a few clicks, going from an idea to a live listing in minutes, and its 24/7 price and store sync ensures you never promote items that change prices or go out of stock. Easync also offers auto fulfillment, so every time you receive an order, it places it for you automatically and it provides real tracking from one location, which looks professional and helps build strong buyer trust. The beginner's plan is simple. Pick a product and import it with Easync. Set your minimum profit and turn on auto sync, and once a sale happens, Easync fulfills the order and uploads the tracking while you continue testing new products. If you want a lean setup that actually scales, check the link in the description and try Easync today. It comes with a 25% discount for new users. This hands-off automation lets you grow from a few orders per week to 20, 30, or even 50 orders per day, proving that in dropshipping, automation equals growth. Step 6, start posting organic content. To start getting traffic without spending money, focus on posting consistent organic content across platforms where your audience already spends time. That is on TikTok. Create simple unboxing videos, aesthetic product clips, and quick demonstrations that highlight the style and quality of your items. On Pinterest, upload clean product pins, mood boards, and lifestyle imagery that match your brand's color palette and vibe, helping you reach shoppers who use the platform for inspiration and gift ideas. And then on Instagram, you can take advantage of reels, carousel posts, and lifestyle photos that show your products in real world scenarios. Over time, these pieces of content work together to build trust and attract followers, and naturally drive people back to your Ecwid store without spending a single dollar on ads. And now to conclude, if you follow these steps, choosing the right products, setting up your Ecwid store, and automating with Easync, you'll have everything you need to start your first online business with zero upfront cost. Remember, success comes from testing, improving, and staying consistent. Start small, automate smart, and let your results grow over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly online business tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.